On Wednesday, President Biden revoked a proclamation that Donald Trump made, and that blocked many green card applicants from entering the United States. Trump issued the ban last year, saying it was needed to protect U.S. workers. In essence, unless you were an immediate relative, you were barred from getting a green card at a U.S. embassy in another country. So unmarried, children of permanent residents, children under the age of 21 of permanent residents, spouses of permanent residents, unmarried children over the age of 21 of a U.S. citizen, married children of U.S. citizens, brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens, anybody sponsored in an employment-based case, all prevented from getting the green cards. 1 year of none of those applications being processed. That proclamation was set to end on March 31st. Biden lifted it approximately 4.5 to 5 weeks earlier than it was set to expire. It now sets up for 1 year of a backlogged group of people to start to get their immigrant visa appointments. The problem is this. The problem is we're still in COVID, okay? So the embassies are short-staffed, less people working there. They're working, in separated environments, and you have a situation where there's probably somewhere in the vicinity, I've never seen the statistic, but my guess would be somewhere in the vicinity of 350 to 400,000 green card applications that should have been processed for an interview that have not been processed. Now, all of the U.S. embassies have to set up interviews for approximately 350 to 400,000 people that should have already had their interviews on top of all the interviews that they got to do moving forward, which means there's going to be a huge backlog sometime unless Biden adds a lot of staff to try to reduce this backlog. I don't know how they're going to do it. So even though family reunification is going to start, it's going to be a very long process before this whole backlog gets. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.